Daniel faced the lion roar so wild, with faith as strong as oxen child. He knelt to pray in that dark den, with hope he'd see the light again. They tossed him in with hearts of stone, but Daniel knelt, he wasn't alone. The lion's jaws stayed tightly sealed. God's love became his iron shield. Daniel in the den stood tall, faith so strong it conquered all. Through the night and through the fear, God was there so mighty near. King Darius ran at break of dawn. He called for Daniel who was gone. But Daniel answered safe and sound. In faith and hope he had been found. The lions lay so still and meek, their roaring minds now soft and weak. For God had sent an angel through to show his power bright and true. Daniel in the den stood tall, faith so strong it conquered all. Through the night and through the fear, God was there so mighty near. Daniel in the den stood tall, faith so strong it conquered all. Through the night and through the fear, God was there so mighty near. King Darius ran at break of dawn. He called for Daniel who was gone. But Daniel answered safe and sound. In faith and hope he had been found.